Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're shifting gears to talk about one of the hottest upcoming vehicles in the adventure and off-road scene, the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness. If you're a fan of rugged SUVs or simply looking for your next adventure vehicle, stay tuned because you'll definitely want to hear about this. Subaru has always been a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts, and with the launch of the 2024 Crosstrek Wilderness, they're taking things to a whole new level. Building on the popular Crosstrek platform, the Wilderness Edition is designed for those who crave the outdoors, offering more capability, durability, and that signature Subaru ruggedness we've come to expect. Let's start with the design. The 2024 Crosstrek Wilderness is built to stand out on and off the road. It features a beefed-up exterior with a raised suspension, giving it extra ground clearance for tackling rough terrain. The bold black cladding around the wheel arches, unique wilderness badging, and striking matte-finished hood add an aggressive touch that screams adventure ready. Now, let's talk performance, because that's what the Wilderness is all about. Powered by a 2.5-liter boxer engine producing 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, the Crosstrek Wilderness has the power and efficiency needed for long journeys through rugged landscapes. But the real highlight here is the off-road capability. With 9.3 inches of ground clearance, enhanced all-wheel drive, and Subaru's X-Mode off-road system, this vehicle is equipped to handle dirt, snow, rocks, and more. The Wilderness Edition also features skid plates for added protection and improved approach and departure angles, allowing you to tackle steep trails and rough terrain without hesitation. While the Crosstrek Wilderness is geared for off-road adventures, it's still practical for everyday driving. It offers an impressive towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, making it perfect for bringing along gear or small trailers on your trips. And despite its rugged nature, the Crosstrek maintains solid fuel efficiency, making it a great daily driver for those who don't want to sacrifice adventure for practicality. The Subaru Crosstrek has always been a fan favorite in the compact SUV segment, but with the Wilderness Edition, Subaru is directly targeting those who need a vehicle that can take them further off the beaten path. In a market where off-road capability is increasingly important, especially with competitors like the Toyota RAV4 TRD Off-Road and the Jeep Compass Trailhawk, the 2024 Crosstrek Wilderness offers a compelling combination of affordability, durability, and capability. So there you have it, folks. The 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness is shaping up to be the go-to vehicle for outdoor enthusiasts looking for an SUV that can handle any adventure. With its rugged design, off-road capability, and practical everyday performance, it's definitely a contender in the adventure vehicle market.